unpile it. You gotta get that little detent. And there's 2 screws back there. And you get under this one. 1 screw back here. And do that, and it pops off. Okay. Lift from the bottom corner, pop it. And then lift up on your door panel. And there's 2 sets of wires. This handle pops out by moving that little clip. And then you gotta undo the 2 spots where the wiring goes. One into there, and one into the actual door controller. With everything unplugged. This connector came out of the window controller. This came out, it slid right in, comes out, and then you pull this back, unplug your door actuator right here, and then we're gonna take this apart. These T30s, 3 of them are out. Unplug here. You can get this through. And then we're gonna weasel the motor by pulling these cables out and through. You have to open up this flap and undo your 2 cables. There's a rod inside there that has to go back into this yellow opening to make the door latch work. So you're getting your new actuator in. You gotta make sure you slide that in first and then line up your bolts. Plug everything back in. The door panel has to come up and over this, slide back down, and pop it in all the way around, and put your screws back in. Screws back here.